The following video contains some tones that are disturbing. If you play this in public, you may or will cause panic, but note, this video is a work of fiction, not real. Anyways, enjoy the video. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. A few weeks ago, there was a dangerous event in California. The MD20 glitch started to break out and cause fireworks to spread massive fires. This glitch is yet to spread soon. There are some firework events that may cause catastrophic topics. Stay tuned to local news media for more information regarding this situation. BDN 2 and all other BDN programmings are now interrupting regular programming for an emergency announcement. It is advised to wait for further instructions, and please remain calm at all times. You're watching BDN 2, broadcasting as the brother of BDN. We interrupted our programming to bring you this national emergency message for the whole country of the United States. Please listen carefully, as this is not a drill. The U.S. government has urged all residents regarding a major glitch that has spread to the west of the country. This glitch is likely named the MD20 glitch, which first broke out during the start of the MD20 festival, causing fireworks to spread in many directions, causing massive fires. It is estimated that in the next few days, this glitch will spread to the East Coast, making fireworks events such a catastrophic topic. All these events will be cancelled due to this current situation. Refusal to do so will cause very massive wildfires. According to some airports in the West, some airplanes have lost contact with the airports and were seen falling from the sky. You must take shelter to prevent being hit by the falling airplanes. All of them are going down at rapid speeds. Refusal will result a great risk in your life. According to NASA, the planes are not the only things falling down from the sky, but also space satellites too, and they're falling to the surface the same speed as the airplanes. This cannot be urged enough. You must take shelter now to prevent being hit by the planes or satellites. A non-clear signal will be given once it is safe to leave your shelter. We shall still be on the air for as long as possible to give you updates on the situation. From now on, normal programming will now resume for as long as possible to give you updates. We thank you for your time and cooperation.